The thing that's unique about Spring Lake Park is it stayed true to its focus on this idea of excellence.
So what does that mean?
It's setting the bar a little bit higher than you think you can reach it.
We want our kids to be successful, and we truly care about them.
We have a feeling and a sense of community that is so present here in everything we do.
Side and the bottom.
I would describe this community as an engaged community of learners.
Turn towards each other and talk about the answer.
Our staff work hard to meet students where they're at. Our staff work hard to understand each student in front of them and to cater the experience and the learning to those students.
They will challenge students at every turn, challenge them to learn, and challenge them to think.
My son has loved every day that he's been in this district. The innovative learning and the wonderful staff, it's just been the best place to have my kids go to school.
No matter what your interest is, there's so many opportunities for students.
We're a school that has endless opportunities for kids. Athletics, activities, co-curriculars, extracurriculars for every kid that wants to somehow find that opportunity to be involved.
My choir director, after being here for 4 years, has really inspired me to become a leader to other kids.
At Spring Lake Park High School, we work really hard to perpetually be innovative and creative in finding new ways to reach students. Wherever they go from here, there's going to be a high demand on continued learning. Our goal is that students leave here highly aware of how they learn and prepared for that learning.
I've taken a number of advanced placement courses and even just honors courses.
CPR.
I've filled my schedule with things that I'd like to do to get ready for college.
With a diverse student population, you have to differentiate how you work with kids. You have to be authentic, and you have to meet kids where they're at.
3, 2, 1.
My teachers have personalized my learning by rounding the curriculum to fit my needs.
What were some of the things that your failures had in common?
They're becoming motivated learners. They're the ones now in charge of their own learning.
I want for them to make the world a better place.
That's what we see at Spring Lake Park on a daily basis, and that's pretty cool to be a part of.